we want to take a look at our duct system. Our duct system is a distribution area of our air conditioning system. And if the duct system is dirty, it's going to carry that dirt back into our homes, making the surfaces dirty, carrying the germs that are in the air conditioner system, bringing that outside, any molds, bacteria, things like that. So making sure your duct system is clean will help to keep your home clean, help to keep our bodies clean, and make sure that we stay healthy. And then we also have, you want to make sure your filters, the filters are the part of your system that's going to filter out any of the dust, bacteria, things like that. Change your filters often. Those small 1-inch filters, those should be changed out in some cases monthly. We call them monthly filters, but they at least every 3 months, at the minimum every 3 months, get those filters changed, because once those filters start to clog up, it's going to start to put strain on your air conditioner system, but it's also going to start to release some of the stuff that it's caught back into the air, and air is going to find its way around those filters through any nooks, crannies, leaks, etc., bringing in that unhealthy air back into our air conditioner system, which eventually makes it into our homes. So change those filters often. The larger filters can go probably up to 6 months, and in some cases up to a year, but you want to change those also and make sure that they're not getting real dirty.